How to make $500 fast. We all know the standard advice about keeping an emergency fund and always being prepared for financial surprises. But life doesn't always go according to plan, and even though you've tried, you might still find yourself in a pinch. When you're struggling to make ends meet, or an unexpected cost comes up, you may need to know how to make $500 fast. An extra $500 can feel like a lifeline in times of financial hardship. Maybe you've been keeping great tabs on your budget, but suddenly face a month-long stretch when life demands more of you than you anticipated. The following ideas are suggestions of ways you can actually earn the money you need to cover the unexpected. You won't do all of these, and you probably won't do any of them forever. But they're great ways to pad your wallet and get you through until the next payday, and avoid the dreaded payday loan. You might also use them to help rebuild your emergency fund after it's depleted. How to make $500 fast with sign-up bonuses. One great, and easy, way for how to get $500 fast is by signing up for accounts that offer attractive bonuses. Lots of institutions have special offers that are basically free money for you. Here's what I mean. Bank account bonuses. Banks and financial institutions love to give out cash bonuses. It's a way they lure customers in. Even if you already have a bank you love, there's no rule saying you can't open a separate account elsewhere. Search online to find the best bank account sign-up bonuses and you'll find plenty of options, many of them at online-only banks. The bonuses are often $100 or more. I did this not long ago to earn a $150 sign-up bonus, and it was super easy. The one thing to remember with bank sign-up bonuses is that you probably won't get the money instantly. Often the account must remain open for a minimum of 3 to 6 months before they give you the bonus. Also, you need to have the minimum amount required to open an account, which may not be possible if you're living paycheck to paycheck. Bank account bonuses are a great way to earn a few $100s easily, but not necessarily as fast as you'd like. Credit card sign-up bonuses. If you're looking for how to get $500 fast, credit card bonuses may be a way to get you part of the way there. Credit cards may not always give cash bonuses, but some rewards like bonus points or miles that you can use to cover expenses. However, it's essential that you know yourself and your spending habits. If you have a habit of overspending on credit, it's best to pass on credit card bonuses, because you could spend more than the bonus. But if you're able to use credit cards wisely and you know you'll pay your balance in full each month, go for it. Be careful not to open up too many new credit accounts at once, though, because that could harm your credit score. Sign-up bonuses for online brokerages. Similar to bank accounts and credit cards, online brokerages may have some free money for you as well. Some brokerages, like Robinhood, give new account holders a free share of stock. If you haven't yet opened an investment account like this might be a great time to do so. Robinhood says the value of the gifted stock may be up to $225, although there's a good chance it'll have a value between $2.50 and $10. How to make $500 fast with driver and delivery work. Lots of opportunities for you to earn money quickly are out there, especially in the driving and delivery niches. Consider taking on gigs during free time to make some quick cash. Uber or Lyft, the two giants of ride-sharing, Uber and Lyft, might be a great place to start earning extra money. If you have a vehicle and can shuttle passengers around the area where you live, you can earn a decent amount as a driver. The perks of this type of gig work are that you can start working quickly and get paid quickly. That's amazing when you really need money now. However, if you hate sitting in traffic and don't want to put wear and tear on your car, it's not the best option. Instacart and Postmates. If you've never delivered food, I bet you know at least one friend who has done so in the past few years. Instacart and Postmates are just two of the companies you could work for to deliver groceries and food for pay. Similar to Uber and Lyft, these are great gig opportunities that allow you to work when it's convenient for you. You're not obligated to follow a set schedule. Plus, the tips can be lucrative. A friend of mine has been driving for a grocery delivery app for a couple of years now. His biggest customer tip was $200 on a single delivery. Uber or Lyft, the two giants of ride-sharing, Uber and Lyft, might be a great place to start earning extra money. If you have a vehicle and can shuttle passengers around the area where you live, you can earn a decent amount as a driver. The perks of this type of gig work are that you can start working quickly and get paid quickly. That's amazing when you really need money now. However, if you hate sitting in traffic and don't want to put wear and tear on your car, it's not the best option. Instacart and Postmates. If you've never delivered food, I bet you know at least one friend who has done so in the past few years. Instacart and Postmates are just two of the companies you could work for to deliver groceries and food for pay. Similar to Uber and Lyft, these are great gig opportunities that allow you to work when it's convenient for you. You're not obligated to follow a set schedule. Plus, the tips can be lucrative. A friend of mine has been driving for a grocery delivery app for a couple of years now. His biggest customer tip was $200 on a single delivery. Similar delivery gigs. There are plenty of delivery and driving gig jobs out there. Whether you have a full-time job and just need to supplement your income for a while, or you're trying to find a more permanent job, these gig jobs can tide you over. A great aspect of working for a delivery app is that you can start making money even if you don't have any skills. Of course, you do have skills, but maybe not the specific ones companies are looking for, yet. You just need to be a licensed driver with a vehicle to start earning with apps, or even a local business requiring delivery. So if you're wondering how to make an extra $500 a month consistently, delivery gigs could be the answer. How to make $500 fast with paid surveys. If you need to make $500 fast, you may be willing to try just about anything. While online surveys don't pay much, they do pay you for your time spent online answering questions. When you have some free moments just sitting on the couch, why not find a survey website and earn a little bit? Some survey sites you could try include SurveyJunkie, Inbox Dollars, and Swagbucks. Be sure to read the qualifications and guidelines before getting started. And beware, the pay is low, so if you can focus more on the higher earning side jobs, that's probably best. Join a focus group. Focus groups are similar to taking surveys, except the pay is typically better. You get to provide your opinions to help businesses make decisions about their products and plans. Along with the higher pay, however, is the fact that it can be tough to get into many quality focus groups. Just search online for focus groups near me to find local opportunities that might fit. How to make $500 fast through caregiving or tutoring. Are you a compassionate and kind person? Do you have skills in taking care of others or teaching them? Then caregiving or tutoring could bring in a nice side income, whether temporarily or permanently. Babysitting and childcare. Of course, parents are always going to need quality childcare. That's where you come in if you enjoy being with children and need to make some extra money. There are so many ways you could provide this valuable service to other parents. Maybe you could provide necessary childcare to parents either before or after school, or on off days if your schedule allows it. You might offer special weekend or holiday babysitting as well. Multiply several kids by an hourly or flat rate, and you could earn a good amount of money quickly. Another way to get this is through the barter system, in which you'd watch a friend's kids one day, and she'd return the favor another day. It doesn't pay you, but it's a valuable swap. Pet care. Are you wondering how to make an extra $500 a month doing something you love? Become a pet sitter. Pets need care just as children do. If you're a dog person or cat person or an all-around animal lover, doing pet care can be a great side hustle. I've had to find people to care for my cats and dogs over the years, and it can be such a hassle. You might sign up as a pet sitter with Rover.com and start moving towards making $500 fast. Another way to find pet sitting gigs could be to simply ask around your social circle. Tell friends and local family members you're willing to step in and walk their dogs, feed their fish, and whatever other animal care is needed. Tutoring. For those of you with an educational background, tutoring could be the perfect way to make $500 fast. Tutoring is great because even if you can't find clients locally, you can tutor anyone just about anywhere in the world. You just need a great internet connection and the ability to make video calls to have the ideal work from home job. Plenty of kids and adults are looking for tutoring. Maybe you can put your fluency in French to good use by tutoring a family before their planned trip to Paris. Or start up a tutoring group, which would mean each student would pay, Increasing your hourly earnings. How to get $500 fast by renting out your stuff. Renting out items you already own is an easy way how to make an extra $500 a month easily. It's a perfect way to earn money quickly without having to invest anything other than a little time. Cars, rooms, houses, and more are things you might be able to rent out. Rent out your car with platforms like Turo and Getaround. People like you are making extra money with an asset they already own. For instance, their car, motorcycle, or other vehicles. If you aren't using your vehicle all the time, why not put it to productive use by renting it out? Earning money by renting out your car could help someone else out while building up your savings. It might be a great option, especially if you already work from home and don't need to drive during significant portions of the day. Wrap your car in advertising. Although not all companies are created equal, you may be able to make some money towards earning $500 quickly by wrapping your car. It's something that you only have to do once and then drive around in order to earn a paycheck. Wrapify is one company that may pay you for wrapping your car in advertising, especially if you drive a minimum amount on a regular basis. This is just one way to help you get towards making some emergency cash for whatever you need. Rent out an apartment or living space. Renting out a room or space is another excellent way how to get $500 fast. Plus, it's a great house hacking trick. Now, you may not have an entire extra apartment available to rent out on Airbnb, but that's not the only way to earn money from renting your space. Maybe your home has a spare bedroom or apartment-like space, and you could offer someone a place to live.